Okay, this is just going to be a quick unboxing of either my scope or my bipod for my AR-15. I'm not sure which it is because they're both about the same size and about the same length and stuff, so I'm hoping it's the bipod because it doesn't sound like it's too well packaged in there. Packing peanuts. I hate these. It is the scope. I think. Buckmasters. And I hate packing nuts. So bad. Yeah, this is the scope. Did not sound like it was packed in there that well, so I hope it's alright. It's got the BDC reticule. It's got, let's see, 4 dots underneath. The center, so you can set out for different ranges. I'll probably set it for 100, 200, and maybe 300. Or maybe a 50, 100, 200, I don't know. Yeah, I got the Buckmaster rifle scope. Where's the specific model number? I guess it's over here. Buckmaster 2, 3x9x40, matte color, and they call that a BDC reticule. Open it up. Warranty. You gotta register it. This is from Nikon. Manual. Comes packaged in that. I guess that's a good setting. And alright. Oh yes, it comes with covers. Yes, I wanted to buy these. Well, I didn't want to buy these, but I was going to buy these. Nice. This feels nice. Looks nice, and it's got, these are actually like Nikon lens covers. So yeah, it's got the 3x9, 3 to 9 on there. It's matte black. It's got the Nikon logo on there. I don't really love that they put this sticker on there now. They don't have that. I have a silver scope on my 243 and it doesn't have this sticker back here. So I wish they didn't do that. Pop these lens caps off. I am so happy that came with lens covers. That is awesome. Let's see what this reticule looks like. Nice. Let's see if I can show this through the lens here. There we go. Kind of. So yeah, it's just got the 4 dots on there. It's 4 dots, right? Yeah, 3 close together, 1 far apart, and then you got the center. It's got a nice rubber eye relief. Or eye guard here, whatever you want to call that. The lenses look really nice. Like they're put together well. It's got the nice Buckmaster logo over here. Pop these off real quick. I'm guessing you twist it with a coin. Nope, it's just twist with your finger. And it's got that click system on there to adjust it how you want. I think you can 0 it too. I don't know. same thing. So yeah, this will go in my AR-15, and then I have a bipod coming too, so I'll keep an eye out for that. They did not mention this comes with this. This was $99 on Amazon, and it used to be $110. It dropped down to $99, so then I picked it up for that. It's like a newer version of the one on my 243. And I really like the one on my 243. It stayed zeroed in. I hadn't shot the gun for like 4 years. Took it out the other day and shot it, and it was still dead on at like 200 yards, so we're good. I kind of wanted flip open sight covers, but this will work because that's free, so that'll work. Awesome. That's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.